Want your content to get more views on YouTube? YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and optimizing your videos is key to standing out. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful YouTube SEO tips that can boost your visibility, increase your watch time, and get your content in front of the right audience. 1. Optimize your video title with keywords. Your video title is the first thing both viewers and YouTube's algorithm notice. Make it clear, compelling, and keyword-focused. Avoid vague or overly clever phrases. Instead, aim for clarity and relevance. For example, how to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Complete beginner's guide. YouTube SEO tips that grew my channel to 100K subscribers. Write a keyword-rich description. The first 2 lines of your description are crucial. Include your main keyword naturally while hooking your audience. Provide helpful context, add timestamps, and include calls to action. Think of it like a blog intro for your video. For example, learn the best SEO tips for YouTube to boost your video views in 2025. This YouTube SEO tutorial covers everything from title optimization to watch time. Create an eye-catching thumbnail. Custom thumbnails can significantly increase click-through rates. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and a clear focal point to grab attention. Keep it simple and consistent with your brand. Example: a close-up face with bold text, 5 YouTube growth hacks, a branded thumbnail with icons and a consistent color palette. Improve audience retention. YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers watching. Start strong with a clear hook, use quick cuts, B-roll, and on-screen text to maintain interest. Retention doesn't mean your video has to be short, it just has to keep viewers engaged. For example, start with, "By the end of this video, you'll double your views guaranteed." Use quick cuts, progress bars, and text overlays to maintain interest. Increase engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share. These signals tell YouTube that your content is valuable, increasing the chances it will be recommended. Ask specific questions to prompt responses. Examples: comment below with your biggest YouTube SEO mistake and I'll reply to everyone. If this helped, hit the like button so more people can find it. Optimize for click-through rate. Your title and thumbnail work together like a billboard. Both must clearly convey the value of your video without misleading viewers. Test different formats to see what grabs attention without feeling like clickbait. Example: title: How I got 1 million views with no subscribers. Thumbnail: shocked face plus screenshot of YouTube analytics. Do keyword research for every video. Before you even hit record, know what keywords your audience is searching for. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help you find terms with good search volume and low competition. Use these keywords in your title, description, and tags. Example: how to get YouTube views in 2025, over more generic phrases. Implementing these 7 YouTube SEO tips will help your videos reach more viewers and perform better on search. Want to go even deeper? Contact me for a YouTube SEO consultation. Let's grow your channel the smart way.